start the introduction, this is the rig computer. It is used to display and record the test data. There are two tabs on it. One is a numerical display, the other is a graphical display. Right next to the control computer is the hydraulic cylinder controls. It is a forward-backward motion. The rate of penetration is controlled by the flow valve on the hydraulic cylinder. This is the sample carriage with all the sensors, the load cells, and the lateral load rods. Those are the wires coming out. Over here we have the drive system with safety covers. This is the variable frequency drive. The speed's controlled with this knob. This is the other side of the test rig. There's the carriage. This is our mud tank and our mud system. You can see with the hoses. This is our mud drain assembly right there with the shaft seal. This is the sediment filter on top of the mud tank. And now for starting the rig. This is initially turning on the shaft. Getting the carriage in position to drill.
Yeah. So Justin is moving into the drilling position. And I'm going to zoom in right here.
And this is when the pump has been turned on, the fluid is circulating, and we are drilling.
Now able to and here Justin is reaching into the goo, pulling out the goo.